Okay, now I'm going to talk about the best way to pitch your idea to companies to get a response. Okay, hey, pitching your ideas to companies is not easy. I'm not going to tell you it's easy. It's like a job. You have to do it every single day and get used to it, and you're going to get a lot of rejection. So what? But you have to do it every day. And this is what I've learned by pitching these 4 ideas to 30, 40 companies, hundreds of people. This is what I've learned recently on the best way to pitch your idea to a company. Now, we talked about connecting. That's great on LinkedIn. But once someone has connected to me, what do I do next? It's very, very simple. Number 1, keep it short. Don't go long. Don't explain a bunch of stuff. I talked a lot about this. When people send me a long email through LinkedIn, I never respond. You're stealing time from me. Make it short. All right. So, second thing, really be able to know the pain point that company's having, their customers probably having. Know the pain point. And the third thing is going to be the follow-up. So, number 1, keep it short. Number 2 is going to be the pain point. Now, what do I mean by the pain point? The pain point is, what problem are you solving for their customer? Okay, so let's talk a little bit about this. Keeping it short. I might say the first sentence, I just might say, I have a patent pending product that does this. Wonderful, great first sentence. The second sentence might be, the problem my invention solves is this. Wow. Talk about 2 powerful sentences. Boom, boom, boom. Now, I might say, if I've been in an industry, maybe I'm a plumber, maybe an electrician, or maybe I've been in the packaging, which I'm in. I might say, hey, I've been in the packaging industry for 25 years. I've got a patent pending product that does this, and it solves this particular problem, or here are the benefits. You guys, that's 3 sentences. It's very, very short. And then I will say, may I send you a short video, keep it short, demonstrating my invention or my product idea. May I send you a 1-minute video demonstrating what I just described to you. Very simple. Or may I send you a sell sheet that will describe or demonstrate what I'm describing to you. That's another way of doing it. Depends if you got a video, you got a sell sheet. But what I'm doing, I'm asking permission. Can I send it to you? I might also say at the very end, if you're not the right person to submit my ideas to, could you point me in the right direction? Thank you for all your help. What I just did was condense everything. That's very short. I knew the pain point, right? That's very, very important. I talked about my IP status. I think that's important too. But here's the most important part. Here it is. It's the follow-up. Now, I know that when you send it out to someone, you're waiting. And if you don't hear anything, you don't know what to do. What do I do? Follow up. Every 5 days, I send a follow-up message. I might say, hey, I'm still here. I know you're really busy, but this is very important. Hey, hi, this is Stephen Key. I'm so excited about this idea. I think it's perfect for your company. When you're not busy, please let me know. Or something. Find a sense of humor about it, but follow up every 5 days. I've been told, and I do believe this is true, and I've saw this firsthand, it might take you 5 times, even more, to follow up. I do believe there's 2 things of why we're kind of messing up here. Because I had a meeting with all my coaches at inventRight, and I said, look, what's happening out there? Can you tell me if there's one thing, or maybe 2 things, or whatever, why people are not getting more deals? And they said, Steve, it's really 2 things. They're not reaching out to enough companies. So you're right. Reach out to a lot of companies, right? And do it one at a time. That's okay. Number 2, there's no follow-up. You're not following up. So you have to reach out to enough companies, enough people within those companies, make sure your pitch is nice and short, and keep following up. That's the formula to win today, and that's what I've learned the last couple months. This is Stephen Key. Thank you for watching this video. Tell your friends, subscribe down below. I'm going to keep talking about how to get your ideas in front of companies for them to say yes. So thank you for watching.